Today I'm going to show you how you can add friends on your Steam account. So first of all, once we are on our Steam homepage right here, what we need to do is we need to go over to our name on the top bar here, and then we need to select the friends option. Once we select friends, we will be brought over to this page, and from here what we need to do is we need to click on add a friend. So once we click on add a friend, we were brought to this page right here. So you've got your friend code here that you can send to people, but what we can do now is we can search for a friend's profile name. So for me, if I just go ahead and put in Ryan2MT for my second account, click on search, what this will do is it should show up my second account. As you can see, my second account is listed right here, and if I want to add this account, all I simply need to do is click on add as friend. So then once you do that, let's just go ahead and do that. As you can see, friend invite has then been sent, and then obviously the person then can accept it on their end. So that's how easy it is to go ahead and add a friend on Steam.